Advance the half-pipe sled into the joint. Advance the JuggerStitch device to the repair site of the meniscus. Then retract the half-pipe sled out of the joint. Insert the taper tip needle through the superior surface of the meniscus. Then advance the taper tip needle through the meniscus. Once the device is inserted into the repair site, advance the black button forward to deploy the first anchor. Reposition the taper tip needle at the desired location and advance through the meniscus. Advance the black button forward to deploy second anchor. After deployment of the second anchor, fully retract the black button and completely remove the meniscal inserter from the joint. After retracting the JuggerStitch device from the joint, pull the blue-white side of the loop to set the first anchor, as well as reduce the tear with the intra-articular loop. Next, pull the white single strand to contract the large loop down to the repair site. Make sure the tension of the second loop matches the tension of the first loop. Utilize a probe to check the repair site for appropriate tension. Insert the suture cutter and advance to the repair site to sever the suture. Fixation is now complete.